Hey, what's up everybody? Darius here and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I've uploaded a video. I've been very busy with school, work, everything else, business. It's just been so much, but that's just excuses. I can still pick up the camera and make videos. I promise I want to. I might have to make another channel, so this video will go on my new channel and my old channel. This video is special because this is something that I've wanted for a long time. If you guys remember, a few years ago, I got an iMac. My mother actually bought me that iMac for Christmas. It is the 4K model. I can't remember any of the specific specs, but I'll show you guys in a minute. Love that computer. Have no complaints. Haven't had any major problems. It's extremely reliable, still fast, and it was my first Apple product as far as computer-wise. I've always been an Apple, iPhone, iPod Touch, iPods, everything Apple I've always had, but a few years back I got my first iMac. This year, a few weeks ago, I purchased an Apple 15-inch MacBook Pro. 2 days later, they released the Apple 16-inch. No, about a week had gone by before they released it, but I had never opened it. It had just came in the mail when I found out because I got it built it online. So was very discouraged because I was like, oh, I spent all this money on this. Still, I know it's a great computer. Spent all this money on a great computer. And it was it had pretty much everything without like maybe 2 or 3 specific big options. And I can't remember exactly what the options were that I didn't get, but it wasn't the basic model. I know it had the i9 and then it was, I don't know, but that's besides the purpose. I returned that computer and I actually got the Apple 16-inch. And so that is what this video is for you guys today. I've always wanted an Apple MacBook Pro. They were always kind of on the expensive side, so I was like, at the time, you know, I will deal with the computer that I had at the point, which was my iMac, and I have a 17-inch HP laptop. Great computer as well, fairly reliable, never gave me any major problems. And now that I'm older and I have a stable job, I can afford the MacBook Pro. And so luckily with me, I mean, it just happens to be I got the latest and greatest one. I was so excited when my 15-inch came in. I was just like, yes, I'm so ready. I have a MacBook Pro. I have the top of the line MacBook Pro because I had a 17-inch laptop and I thought that it was just entirely too big. And I will show you guys a comparison once I do my comparison video or once I do my other video. This is just really an opener for both you and me. This will be my first time opening it as it just came in the mail. I literally got home. UPS said they missed me. The signature was required. I was like, golly, I cannot believe I missed that. Today, which is the same day, but few hours later, they came early in the morning. I was obviously at work. Don't know why they would try to do that early in the morning while they know people are at work, but hey, they came back, so that's fine. They came back maybe 30 minutes ago. I was getting ready to set up to do a video. My mom just recently bought a Amazon Fire HD. I think it's the 10, if I'm not mistaken. Hopefully you guys can see it, but it is this awesome bluish color, and it's awesome. This is my mom's first like major, let's see. Hopefully you guys can see the screen. I don't know if I need to get closer or further away, but it's awesome. Definitely is awesome. My mom's first major like piece of technology outside of she has the iPhone XR, and she loves that. And to me, that just works really well. I'm an Apple guy. I have the Apple iPad Air. It was my second iPad. I still love it to this day. I don't think I need to upgrade for what I do on the iPad. But I love it. Eventually, you know, once I become a tech connoisseur, maybe. But for right now, I love my iPad. Again, I do want to do a video on that thing, the Amazon Fire HD 10. I think that's the name of it. I'll put it in the video if I'm wrong. And then versus that thing, which is my Apple iPad Air. It is the first generation, as I said. Space gray. Same thing as my laptop. Same thing as all my phones that I've had. This year I have the Apple iPhone 10, and I got it in white. I think that's the color. Silver. I don't know. Glass. I don't know whatever color it is. But yeah. I'm back, guys. I promise I want to start making more content. I do need, like, my motivation is to, like, help and inspire people like me. I watch so many YouTube videos a day. Literally, I support YouTube. YouTube is one of my favorite companies simply because they paved the way for a lot of creators that just didn't have what the networking and the people that could help them out. Like, you know, before YouTube, you had to do so much to get yourself out there, and you still have to work hard, but YouTube gives you that platform where you can help and inspire so many people. And that's what I want to do. I love cars. I'm gonna do videos on cars. I love lifestyle vlogs and traveling. I'm gonna do videos on that. I obviously love tech. Technology is one of my favorite all-time things to do and to have. Like, I'm recording on my Sony a7 III. I had a Canon 5D Mark IV. So it's cool to just be able to say, hey, you know, I'm testing out all these different companies, and right now Sony is killing the game. If you guys are looking for a camera to vlog or to take pictures or to do cinematic footage or just even to just have daily around the house to do anything, Sony is the company right now. I love Canon. Canon produces great cameras. They do everything. But if from someone that started, like, my first camera, my first DSLR was a Canon Rebel T5, one of those. Awesome starter camera. Then I got better at photography, so I was like, oh, I can start making a living. I can make a business out of this. So I upgraded to the top tier Canon 5D Mark IV. That is a huge jump. That is like a camera that's like $500 for a whole entire kit. For, at the time, my camera and the lens, I got the 24 to 70 L series lens with my camera, and that was like almost $5,000. Well, it was about $5,000 when you add on insurance and taxes and all that. And here I am now with Sony. I have the A7 III. $2,000 camera with a 304 or 300 or 400. I don't know how much the lens was, but the kit itself was $23.99, and I love it. If I could have both cameras, oh my gosh, I would, but I don't have that type of money. So having the Sony, it does everything for me. The only thing I wish it had was a flip out screen so that I could see myself, because as right now, I don't know what the heck is going on. I don't know if I'm in focus, but they do have great autofocus, so I'm pretty sure I'm in focus. But exposure and all that, you know, I can always get an Atomos or those extra screens that go on top of the cameras. But then I would have to get a cage because I have a mic as well. And so it's kind of like, you know, I'm good right now. If it works for me, it works for me. But Sony is really killing the game with technology right now. I have no inspiration of getting a new camera anytime soon. Sony, hey, upcoming YouTuber Darius. I'm not saying anything, but you know, when I make it, maybe send me some cameras to try out. You know, we'll see. But definitely, Sony is they're killing it out there. But yes, back to the point. I know you guys want to get to the meat and potatoes of the. All right, welcome back, guys. All right, so finally got the box open. This thing was extremely hard to get open. I'm not the greatest at opening boxes, but let's get to it. Alrighty. Here it is. I hope my camera's straight. I can't really tell. But as you guys see, this is it. MacBook Pro 16-inch. Yes. So, should I show you guys an unboxing video? Or should I include it in this video? I think we'll include it in this video. Oh my God, are you guys okay? Are you guys okay? My camera fell and it scared the living crap out of me. Oh my gosh. I'll cut this video. Oh, okay, I promised you guys I'd show you guys my iMac. I know it's dirty over here, but this is my iMac. I'll be back. I need to do a proper setup. I'll be right back. All right, guys. I'm gonna try to one-hand this, but I do want you guys to speak to my buddy. Hey, Diesel. Hey, he's being bougie right now. He doesn't want to look at the camera. As handsome as he is, he should definitely be a dog model. There he is. Hey, buddy. Say hey, audience. Okay. He's like, get back to your unboxing video. There he is. I'm gonna try to do this one-handed. I don't know. The box feels extremely expensive. Ooh, that feels expensive. Ta-da! There she is. Oh my gosh. That is amazing. Okay. Oh wow. This thing is light. Extremely light. Okay, we're gonna set that over to the side. So you have your charger cable that comes in the box. Put that back in. Oh, your little packet that Apple sends with everything. I'm not gonna make too much of a big deal about it. Yes, they come with everything, so it's not really different from any. This is your charger brick. That feels extremely nice. I see what everybody says in the YouTube videos now where they're like, oh, it feels different from all the other Apple products. Yeah. Set that over to the side and let's see what the real champion is about. I've been seeing a lot of videos where people just take the paper off of the screen. So I'm gonna let you guys witness that as well. And I was like, I can't wait to do that. So you have to unwrap it first. Ooh, I kind of want you guys to see this. This is nice. So that's the plastic on the back. You know what? All right, hopefully you guys can see. I'm trying my best. Oh, my handprints are already on it. That's okay. It's a laptop. It's made to happen. Do I have it? Yeah, I have it turned around wrong, guys and girls. Alrighty, here we go. There we go. I was like, oh, okay. Is mine dead? But it happened. It turned on automatically. All right. Few things to note. Escape key. It's back. Scissor keyboard. It's back. No more butterfly. Fingerprint scanner. Separate. I love this keyboard. I'm not quite sure what keyboard it is.
English is the main language. Okay. Press the return key.
Okay. Well, that's all for this video, guys. Thanks for showing your true love. I hope you guys subscribe, like, comment. Let me know what you guys want to see. Like, I watch so many different videos. There's just endless opportunity to help people. I'm curious to see how this thing is. I'm excited. I'm gonna get to it. I hope you guys have a great day. Peace.